Okay, so in this video I'll tell you about how to draw a funny cartoon using Photoshop and Illustrator. So let's go. Hello and welcome to Digital Pastel. My name is Abhik Basu and in this channel I share my experience and knowledge regarding cartooning and illustration. So in this video I'll tell you about drawing a funny cartoon. I'll do the sketching first in Photoshop and then I'll do the coloring and line work in Illustrator. Right? So let's go. Okay, so in this cartoon what I am drawing is a scared elephant. Now you all know that elephants are scared by mouse, right? So in this cartoon I shown that an elephant is scared and he is standing on a tool, right? And the mouse which he is scared of is not the actual mouse but a digital mouse, right? Or a mouse of a computer. Okay. So that's the cartoon, and initially I'm drawing it or I'm sketching it in Photoshop, and I'll do the line work and the coloring in Illustrator. So now I'm doing the line work. Okay. So the thing is, while drawing a funny cartoon, the main thing is the sense of humor. So that is most important, and then come the actual style of the artwork. Okay, even if the artwork is not very good, it's okay, but the sense of humor, the humor must be there in the cartoon, right? So as I'm doing it digitally, all these are on different layers. That is, the sketch is on a different layer, the line work is on a different layer, and similarly the color will also be on a different layer, right? The line work is above the sketch. Okay, now those of you who want to do it traditionally, as you know, you have to do the sketch very lightly, not too much dark, it should be right, and the line work will be on top of the sketch so that it's not visible. Okay, now I'm choosing the color for the elephant. Now coloring in Illustrator is very easy, right? As you can see, it's done just like that. But the shading is not really possible. It is possible, but it's a very long process, tedious process. So I'll do the shading in a very shortcut way. Okay, so now I am doing the shading. Now the light is coming from the left hand side, so the right hand side it's a bit dark and the shade they are on the right hand side. Okay, now everything is done. What I am doing is I am removing the unwanted parts, that is I am fine tuning the shaded areas. Now finally shade for the mouse and the elephant with the tool. Okay, so that's it, a funny elephant which is scared. Okay, so that was about drawing the funny cartoon using Photoshop and Illustrator. So these are the steps which I normally take to draw a cartoon using Photoshop and Illustrator. If you use any other style, you can always mention that on the comment section below so that we can share with other friends. So hope you have liked the video. If yes, then please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever there is a new video you get the notification, right? And click on the like button, share with friends, right? So that's it for today. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.